So I was just going to mud over this soft spot, but it's a little soft, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it out. Looks like an alarm system to the door sensor. So stay tuned and I'll show you how I fix that before I fix the rest of the water damage. Next, I mixed up some 20-minute hot mud to fill the hole. I mixed it just a little thicker than normal so it'd fill real good. I'm also going to hit the edges where I removed some of the blistering and bubbled texture and paint with this 20-minute mud. All right, I let that dry. Now it's time to apply just a small piece of the Fibofuse Advanced. That's just a little insurance policy that this isn't going to crack. Subscribe to see the next steps I did on this water damaged area. Thanks for watching.